Welcome back to another video, guys. This is how to DJ in club series. I don't know which number we are at right now, but okay, let's just keep going. And alright, so these are the kind of music which I usually play in clubs, and this is the kind of music which I play if I want everyone to get on the dance floor. Okay, and keep them dancing, and I can keep playing like this kind of music for easily like 3 hours non-stop. I used to play for 4 hours, 4.5 hours non-stop. There was a time I played for fucking 7 hours non-stop, but anyways, yeah. Let's go. Alright, this is Right Round song, and next is a Bollywood song, kind of a mashup again. And it's all house music. Tempos are set, right. So from the waveform, if I'm not wrong, the drop is 3 phases. So I'll have to jump from first drop to second drop and wait for 8 bars before I start the next song. No, I have to stop. Yeah. So after this 8 bars finishes, I'm going to start because there's 3 phases of drop. And the intro is over like 2 phrases. So 1 phrase is extra, right? Simple math. They are in different key but still gelling well. Timing, all about timing and understanding your songs. So at this point I can do 2 things. Usually what I do is I usually take the bass line of this and continue. Kick drum of this going. And then cut it. So again, this is just an example which you can do. Hi. Oh, I played this song live recently, and Jesus Christ, people went bonkers. I went bonkers. I have a feeling I might have to use beat jump here, so I'm just being ready with it. Yeah, I'll have to use beat jump. I'm jumping back 8 bars behind again. Because the lyrics is continuing, so didn't want to clash. Alright, so the previous song, Love Tonight and Banno, there was very minute clash. Even the vocals were playing. I should have skipped more 8 bars behind. But anyways, it was not that bad. It still sounded like a mashup. Even though they were in very different key, it still sounded like a mashup or, something which was gelling around smoothly. And for this song, I think I'll have to jump forward because I'm late. I'm guessing.
They know what is house, but they don't know what is what they don't is house. Is what they is what they don't is don't know what is what they don't is house. Is what they is what they don't is.
Yeah, good thing I jumped 8 bars. Alright, so I am doing a little longer videos, so I'm just going to do this a shorter one. So let this finish. Yeah.
That magic smoke.
Alright, so I in this song, instead of jumping 8 bars behind, I had to jump 8 bars forward because I over here the hotkeys were a little fucked up. I mean, I kept a demarker also, so I think I might have used this song to mix with another song. So I kept a demarker over there for some other reasons, but yes, you can also use the hotkeys to even move forward. So it's all about timing and how you mix in and out of the songs. Because they were in same key, it sounded so well and so good. So just have an understanding of a little bit of music theory and you'll get there, man. Not a big deal. I hope all this video made sense. My bad. And see you in the next video, guys. Alright, if you have any questions, doubt, or anything, you can just comment down below. And if you want to learn how to DJ like pro, you can join our classes and you can take our classes online or offline. And yeah, make sure you comment down below so that the algorithm, the YouTube algorithm gives us a little bit more views, and people who might want to learn DJing can also watch our videos and learn. Alright, so that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing, keep practicing, keep practicing.